We and our next guest have some history. She's been with us for quite a while, and she's one of our champions. The first time we met her, she was like, how am I supposed to do this? How the hell am I going to figure this out? I'm not technical. I've never done something like this before. And now she's like, guys, let me tell you, what's the next features you should be developing? So she's come a long way together with us, and for us seeing our customers grow, it's our pride and joy. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the wonderful Nadine from Tiger of Sweden.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me. So I'm Nadine. I'm the customer care manager at Tiger of Sweden's webshop. And I would like to tell you about my chatbot story. So, who is Tiger of Sweden? It's a Swedish fashion house. It's a brand that was established in 1903, and the focus was tailoring. The company is built on, The company is built on the Scandinavian principles of equality and fairness. And the founders of Tiger of Sweden, they wanted to bring tailoring and suits down to the working man and not only rich people wearing tailoring. So, tailoring has defined Tiger of Sweden ever since, but the brand has, of course, also extended to much more than just suits and tailoring. My background, so who am I and what is my background? I have been working with customer service and sales for over 15 years. I would say that I know more or less everything there is to know about customer service and what customers expect from us. I spent most of my time analyzing the contacts and everything that we get in from the customers to find out exactly what it is that they expect, what they want, what is working, what is not working, and make sure that all the needed information is available on our website. So my main goal is, of course, to keep our customers happy. So, my chatbot story. Where to start? Yes. Tiger of Sweden is a premium brand. And a premium brand should also have premium customer service. Actually, I think the whole experience should be premium. From the moment they access the website and they browse the product pictures, and they should just feel that this is something special. It's premium. And of course also the whole journey when they shop, when they get their parcel, when they pack it out, feel the quality, but it goes actually beyond that. Also, if they need to contact customer service, that experience should also be premium. With that said, in 2018, we decided to expand the contact channel. Until then, we had emails, we had phones, we had Facebook, and we also had a chat that was, to be honestly, more or less never online, because it was just a chat that we could put online if there was time for it. So, by analyzing all this feedback we got from the customers, we saw that fast answers and 24/7 availability was really important to the customers. We saw that this just gave us a really high satisfaction score if people got a quick answer and if they could get the answer when they wanted it. So having that in mind, we thought the solution should be a chatbot, the Tiger of Sweden chatbot. So, like you already said, I have absolutely no technical background. I'm not really technical in general. And I was shocked when I came in to certainly the first time, and Michael was telling me that, but you're building the bot. And I was like, hell no, I'm not. And he was like, yes, you are, because you're the expert. And I was like, expert on what? On your customers. And of course, he was right. So it didn't make any sense that me telling him what the customers wanted and then him building the bot. So I had a workshop day, and then they taught me how to build a bot. And now I can build a bot. So just to show you a little bit what the bot did for us. So before we integrated our bot, we had 79% of all our tickets responded to within 24 hours. We had a satisfaction score that was 70%. We had 4% of our contacts that came from the chat channel. And we had an average reply time on our emails on 26 hours. Then we integrated our chatbot, and it went to 96% of all our tickets were responded to within 24 hours. We went up to 96% satisfaction score, and suddenly we had 35% of all our contacts coming in was on the chat. And we went to 10 hours average reply time on our emails. Really amazing. Yes. So, like I just showed you, 35% of our contacts came from the chatbot, and this number is actually just increasing. We see it actually month by month. Unfortunately, because there is a bot, 20% of these are closed by the chatbot. The reason for this is because when I built the chatbot, it was more or less built on general questions from the customer. So to give you an example, how do I return my order? How can I exchange? How long is the delivery time? What are the rules if I buy something on sale? And just these general questions. So this was actually how we built the bot. So give you, it was really good at answering general questions. So to give you an example, this is our help center. People went into the chat, and they asked a question. They can choose to chat with a human or to a chatbot. So if they chose to choose with the chatbot, they could write a free text, but they can also click on one of the themes. And then the chatbot would guide them to the right article or tell them exactly what to do. This customer is asking for a return label, and then the chatbot will actually tell them what to do. So these were the questions that the bot was really good at answering. And we just saw immediately that these questions were not coming in on emails anymore. So our agents didn't have to spend time on this. So all the chats that couldn't be answered by the bot were, almost all of them were product questions. It was more like, it was specific questions about which size should I choose, or compare two styles, or I normally wear this size, what should I choose, and things like that. And this brings me to my next slide, because we needed a new bot. So, how do I get back? Yes. We saw a need to add a new dimension to our existing bot. We needed a bot that was more product related and could answer all these product questions. So we needed a chatbot that was more product smart and would be able to make recommendations, lower the return rates as we're lucky, and just help customers with specific product questions outside the opening hours. So this is an example of our new product bot. So somebody's looking at this beautiful blazer, and they want to know more about the size. I usually wear a 34, which size should I choose? So now the bot is actually able to answer this. So it actually asks questions so it can help the customer choose the right size from the beginning. So this customer wants a regular fit, and then the bot says, okay, but then you should choose this size. And it actually also asks, can I add it to your cart? Yes. Henrik also showed you a little bit, but then it also recommends styles that would go great with this blazer. So this is amazing, and this is just the beginning, of course. So, the future. What now? We would like, and I'm sure of it, that 50% of all our chat will be closed by the chatbot and will have no interfering with a human agent, so we will never see it, it will never pop up, because it's answered by the chatbot. So I'm sure this will happen very soon, because it's already live. And then we do have some main goals in the future, because seeing that this is possible just, of course, gives me new ideas and new goals and new hopes for the future. Like, okay, and every time I ask somebody from Certainly, they say, and I say, could this be possibly? I never get a no, I always get a certainly. So, yes, we want to offer great help to our customers getting the right size from the beginning. We want to provide all product information that the customer needs 24/7 without an agent, has to be online. And we want to add more languages. The chatbot is live English right now, but our main markets are, of course, in Sweden, Germany, and Denmark, so it would be great to see that they could also be helped in their language. Yes, and I think that was it from me.